See the pallet or the 4x4 beams of the cinder block? That's as high as we want to go. We got solar panels bending over and popping off. The winds are really strong and high. 4 blocks going over. Colonies sitting in high wind profile. Winds get any higher, it's going to make a tall stack right over on the ground. Been there, done that. So keep them on 2 cinder blocks with 4x4 beams. Harvest your honey, keep the wind profile there. On top, it's going to be too high of a wind profile. But this is just really high winds. The storm is splitting, it's going on either side of us. Catching the backside winds. I thought I could do a film. This is why you don't have a high wind profile hives. Alright, we're a little bit worried because the wind is so high. We've got panels that have snapped off and some on the ground. So we'll have to go check them. We'll have to go check them later. Show you how. Whoa. Blowing so hard that power pole's bending. Alright, so keep your honey harvested. Don't just wait to pull it all off late in the summer. Put a couple of boxes in. Keep the wind profile down. Alright. 2 cinder blocks, 2 4x4 beams. There you go. See ya.